want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need. And I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now.
That has been dedicated to preserving and promoting Indian classical arts since 1977.
Yes, where I am.
Giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright.
Hey elders, welcome back to another vlog. It's another week, it's another vlog. You know how we do it, okay? So yeah guys, welcome back. This vlog started a few days ago. So I thought let me come and introduce the video. So yeah guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today is a Wednesday and it's a school day. It's just after lunch right now, so we are going to attend a Freshers Day celebration in the college right now. Yeah guys, so if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back and watching my video. And if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos with everyone that you know. So yeah guys, basically this video is just about, it's just a week in my life as a student in India, balancing school programs and other stuff. I hope you enjoy it, and don't forget to go back and watch my previous videos and like. I love you guys and I appreciate your support. Bye, we'll see you at school. Guys, is it too much blue? I feel like it's too much blue, banange. Hey guys, so tired. I'm so tired actually. So we are back from the freshers party celebration. Let me say like that, celebration. Right now we're gonna rush to Kusat with my roommate to go and get braids, like extensions for making hair. So yeah guys, let's go together. Let's go. Don't forget to subscribe. As well. He's there. Hi. Is he there? Okay, guys, the Uber is here.
I see the air, the very air I breathe. I see the sun, girl, how you shine on me. Nikomzima kwa sababu ya wewe tu. And when you talk to me, I hear the angels, I can hear them sing. I hear the sound of our return.
Hey artists, welcome back to another day of the vlog. It's still the same one, Gesana, but today is what? What is today?
Today is Youth Day.
Yeah, it's Youth Day celebration in our college. So you see, we are going to do what we always do.
Dancing Queen.
We're gonna dance. Yeah, guys, yeah. Anyways, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. It's still the same vlog, still the same Rita. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. So let's go for Youth Day, my sweetie pies, the dancers. So we finished the dance. I will try and like touch it. I hope you saw it. Yeah, this is the end of the vlog. Thank you for coming back to another week in my life. But no longer a week, like it was more messy. But yeah. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and like and comment to my YouTube videos. I love and appreciate you. Till the next one. Lot of love.